This keyboard, it's not something that you see quite often. It comes with an aluminum case. Feels like I'm unboxing a weapon here. Man, nice. We got quite a few stuff right here. First item in the case, it's a set of extra keycaps. Each one of them is different and it's very cute. And we got a menu, and of course we want to keep this because there's a lot of functions of this keyboard. Oh, and this is for us to clean the keyboard. And this is a switch puller, so we can take out the switches or the keycaps by this. And our cable is in this bag. Wow, the packaging is really nice. I mean, impressive. Oh, nice color. And then it also looks pretty tough. The build quality is really well. And one side is USB and the other side is USB Type-C. And both connectors are gold plated, which is really adorable. Oh, no wonder why it smells so good after I opened the case. They got an air freshener in there. And we also have a keyboard dust cover. Ah, that's the real color of the dust cover. It looks very nice. So when we are not using the keyboard, we can use this to cover it so it won't get dusty. We got quite a few accessories already. And now, let me bring up this guy. Look at this, wow. And right off the box, it looks already amazing. This is the best looking transparent keyboard I have ever seen. This one right here is called the Polar Bear color. And they have another one which is Mathematician. And that one is a little darker than this one. But this is just incredible. I really like the design and the color of it. And the whole case is made by the PC materials. It's not like those phone case silicone. So after a while it becomes yellowish. But this one will definitely not turn to yellowish. It looks very durable. It got the weight on it. It's very solid. There's no cracking noise. Let me weigh it, see how much it is. It's 2 pounds and 14 ounces. The keycaps are 2-layer, double-shot dyed soft PBT keycaps. It makes the upper layer of the handwriting more clear, bright and sharp. And also, it's not fade over time. And the next layer is the transparent, which makes it looks really clean and easy to go through. Behind the keyboard, we have a power switch, the USB Type-C power charging, and also the Windows and Mac switch. And also here's some letters. It says the architect belongs to the polar bears. In front of the keyboard, we have the logo. It is the CoolKiller. And under the keyboard, we have 5 rubber feety, so it's not gonna be slippery. And we also have a leveler that can support it to 2 different angles. And right here is something really cool. We have a storage to store our USB dongle, which is really cool. This is magnetic, so it's very easy to put on and off. And this keyboard can be connected with 3 different ways, either by 2.4 gig or Bluetooth or by the wire. And I think you have noticed this already. We have a little display right here. It's something totally new to me. I have never seen some keyboard with this. It offers some really cool features. You can display some customized patterns, some fun expressions, or you can choose to display the temperature of your CPU and all that, which is super nice. The switches is called the S-Blade Tactical. I have never heard of it. It's very easy to press on. It's very smooth and it's transparent, easy to see through. It's gonna be super nice when we turn it on. Inside this keyboard, there are 3 layers of sound absorbing cotton. It will reduce the noise when we are typing, so the sound that is feedback is really nice. So let me give you guys a sound test of the keyboard right here. And for this keyboard, we got 97 keys total. And all the keys are swappable, which means you can place them, doesn't matter which order that you took them out from. And now, let me turn it on, see how it goes. Look at the colors. This is nice. All the RGBs are facing to the south. So when you see like this way, It's more nicer. Oh my god, I really like this keyboard. Really nice, look at this. And with the RGB lighting effect, this keyboard can last you about 27 hours. And if we turn it off, it can last us about 90 hours. And if we don't use it, just have it sit there with a full charge, it can go 150 days, which is pretty incredible. Again, the design is just incredible. I really like it. Look at these. If you think this keyboard is cool, I will have the link to the website where I purchased it, and there are many other cool keyboards as well. And if you want to purchase any of them, make sure to use the coupon code that I have in the description box below as well. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out!